SPY this morning, fairly flat, just about 0.09% over yesterday's close. The SPY on the daily here, it's been consolidating in this area for a few days now. It looks about ready for a big move, so our watch list, we got quite a few movers this morning, a lot to the downside. That look pretty good. Look at this one. This one's already traded over 3 million, close to 4 million shares. But we'll see. We'll see what the market does today. AGN, I'm going to try to take this for a short here at the ask if it gives it to us. All right, we're in. We're in at 150.93. Daily does not look great for a short. It's been uptrending all month, just like the market has. But intraday it gaps down pretty hard. Oh, here it comes. I don't want to leave this on the table here. Yeah, let's just take this right here if it gives it to us. All right, we're out. Quick scalp on this one, just because the market's moving up here. And I didn't want to... Oh, and look at that thing drop now. Oh, I should have waited a little bit. But that's all right. Got 80 cents out of this one. I'll take that. First opening trade. HOG. I'm going to try to take a short here at the ask if it gives it to us. All right, we're in. We're in at 34.36. Day looks good for a short. It's been downtrending for a while, then it had a rally. Then it started turning down. Intraday it gaps down. And all the buy the dippers are coming in. And I think once that's done, it'll drop again. Especially if the market drops. Look at the market here. It's just flat so far. Stop loss will be over 35. And target, I like it below 33.75. Maybe 33.50 area, depending on the market. HOG might be a quick one here. Waiting for it to break 34. Market's downtrending. We got tailwind. HOG. It's taking a little long here, for my liking. We're going to try to take it right here if it gives it to us. All right, we're out. We're out for a little over 30 cents. Oh, and look at that. Drops hard right after I got out of it. That stinks. 3M. I'm going to take this for a short here at the ask if it gives it to us. All right, we're in. This thing is really extended. I think we can get a quick pullback here. Just looking for about 50 to 60 cents. Be a quick trade. Daily does not look good for a short. It's been uptrending. But it's been up so much here, I think we can get a nice little pullback here. Market's downtrending. We're in at 199. Stop loss will be over the highs. All right, let's take this right here if it gives it to us. Quick scalp, if we can get it. All right, we're out. We're out for about 60 cents. Oh, and it drops even more. Boom. Oh, look at that. Look at that drop there. That's a nice drop. And I missed it. I only got the first half. 3M. I'm going to try to pick this up at the bid here if it gives it to us. All right, we're in. We're in 198.03 long. We took it short earlier because it was pretty extended and the market was dropping. Now the market's climbing. This one's up for the day. Look at the daily here. This looks good. So I'm thinking we can get this one up to at least 199. Stop loss will be below 197. And target, I like it over 199. Market pending. 3M. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Market's climbing, so we got tailwind. But this is a big mover, so we got to be careful with this one. It's about to go below our stop here. All right, it just went below our stop. So we'll see what happens there. See if it'll just pick right up there. If not, we'll get out next pullback. 3M. Actually try to come out right here. If it gives it to us for a loss. All right, we're out. We're out for about 25-cent loss on that one. Yeah, I didn't like that right there. That was a big dip there. So I was looking at the Qs, and the Qs were dipping. So I figured I better get out of this one before it goes back down. AGN, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask. Second trade on it. All right, we're in. We're in at 149.39, second trade. We took it earlier, and we took about 80 cents out of it. And it continued to drop. Went all the way down here. Now it rallied up over the 9. And it's about to hit that area where there was a major sell-off. So I'm thinking it's going to turn around right here. Target on this one, I like it below around 148 area. And stop loss will be around over 150.25 area. Maybe 150.50. Depending on the market. Because this thing's down quite a bit today, so most likely it will downtrend. So AGN, all right, it just went to our stop area, went over it. Now it's coming back, so we'll let it breathe there for a second, and we'll see what happens. The market isn't doing much of anything. It had this spike here, but then it just sat there for the last 3 candles. These are 5-minute candles. And these are 2-minute candles, so it's at our stop area. All right. I will just wait and see what happens. If that's just a little squeeze and it comes back down, or if it continues, then we'll just get out of it. Just sitting here in our stop area. It's not giving me a reason to get out yet. AGN. All right, it's coming down to us now. Look at the market here. All right. Just blew by there, 148.70. Only thing is not much volume, so once it breaks 149, I'll probably come out of it. Here it comes. All right, it's broken 149, 152. Let's try to take this right here if it gives it to us. All right, looks like it's about to hit. Here it comes. All right, we're out. We're out for another 80 cents. Take that. Oh, I should have waited. Look at that thing. It's going to drop there. But it was 148.50, so that's a halfway point. Usually there's a lot of support at halfway points. HOG. We're going to take this for another short here at the ask. It looks like it wants to tip over. We'll see if it tips down. All right, we're in. We're in at 34.62, second trade on it. We took it earlier, and we took about 30 cents off of it, which is good because look at that, it came right back up. So now it's coming back down. It tried to close the gap, it didn't succeed, so now it's coming back down. It has plenty of room to run down, so I'm thinking this will drop down to at least below 34. And stop loss will be around 35.25 area. And target around below 34. Depending on the market. The market's downtrending now, so we got tailwind. Let's take a look at this thing up close. HOG. All right, squeeze in a little bit here. We'll see what happens over 35. Market's still downtrending, so market's telling me to stay in it. All right. Hovered in our stop area for a little bit, but never really went over. So it's probably going to turn around and go down now. HOG. All right. It's below entry. It's got momentum, so we'll stay in it. See if we can ride it to 34. Unless the market starts to turn around, then we'll get out of it. HOG. All right. It's got momentum. Market is telling me to stay in the trade because it's still dropping. All right, we got about 30 cents. You know what? I'm going to try to take it right here if it gives it to us. All right. Wow, boom. We're out. Well, for about 30 cents. I want a little bit more, but we were losing on it, so I'll take that. Plus, the market's been downtrending for quite a bit here. So I'm thinking it's going to have a pullback, and it'll probably take this up with it. A little over 30 cents on that trade. I'll take that. But that's going to be it for me today. We're up 379. Let's take a look at the trades. Mostly winners. Our biggest winner on AGN and our loser on MMM. Thanks for watching.